Hello guys, so today I'm going to be showing y'all how to cook. Okay, so y'all need y'all's excellent. Y'all just put them on there for about 1 to 2 minutes because, warning, the lava is very hot, okay? Okay, flip. Okay, so.
Oh, no, don't get stuck.
Okay, and then you flip it at the end of the 1 to 2 minutes, you flip. Oh my god! Be careful with these thieves. They're super thiefy. Okay, so, and then, okay, but let's get on to our chicken. Okay, so you need to just dip it in there. Yeah, just dip it in there. Okay. And then, okay, and then it'll be, and then for about 1 to 2 minutes, then it'll be ready to eat. Wait, dang it.
Yeah, turn it into like a skull. I have to put the skull in the water and it'll revive it.
What happened to my raptor? What happened to my raptor? Oh, he's running.
Where's running?
Where's running?
How am I still taking damage?
Which feed you guys?
Ow! Oh no, I swear I keep seeing like a scorched apple sprite.
Here. I don't know what happened to my raptor, but he's gone.
Can someone trade me for a higher level dino? I mean, like an Uglito?
Knock one of the apples down.
I can't jump high enough.
Does anybody have like a weapon?
I can't knock the apple down.
Boom, first try. Let's go. I can't see.
Does anybody have a higher level
I
Uglito?
get a diamond. How do you sell diamonds?
You want to build?
Why
Do you have an Uglito?
Really
I need
know.
some diamonds because I do, and I wanted to put a saddle on my raptor. Level 14!
You want some milk? Trust me, bro. Raptors are the meta. Like I have so many different dinos, but Raptors are so fast. Like I actually forgot how fast it is.
Now it's ready to eat.
Yo, I genuinely forgot how fast Raptors were.
Okay, bye guys, that's the end.